Oh, here she is. The incredible Accord. Just full of junk. It's kind of like a storage place right now. Anyway, get my little hood latch here. Cintas coat hanger. Yeah. Just take that off. Yep. Perfect. Why is that white? Well, it was off the other car. So then we swapped it over here. We put this one onto that one. Went to the K-swap. Anywho, there's a lot of leaves in our yard. I'm sure that'll just kill the grass. Not my big concern right now. We're worried about this K-swap. Like, should I kind of leave some of the firewall in? Or do I like cut it off like right here? Pretty much just so I have like the subframe and the strut tower in the front. Like lopper off in the front here maybe. I don't know, if you've been following the channel, you'll know we're making that Accord wagon in there. Like mid-engine, rear-wheel drives. We're gonna take the whole front of this turd and take it and we're gonna put it in the back of that wagon in there. You know, I'm surprised every day when the government lets people have welders, because you can do a lot of things with a welder. You know, it ain't no Komatsu, it's just an Accord. Hey, if they'll allow us to do it still, I'm gonna chop cars apart and weld them together. Looks like a lot of work, but it ain't nothing a Sawzall, plasma cutter, cut off wheel, maybe a chainsaw can't do. Put the hood back on the turd first. We have to put this hood Akko. I hope you can see that. Akko. Because I can block forever. Pretty important to me. So that white Accord may have a blue hood. Blue, green. I think it's blue. My wife thinks it's green. But you guys should like, comment, subscribe for more so you can see more of this garbage stuff in the making. I'll show you the Accord. I got the K-swap license plate years ago. I know, you're all pretty jealous. K-swap, don't mind the junk. I said it before. We had a kid a few months ago. There's a lot going on. Here she sits so far. K-swap was done. Turbo mounted in the back underneath the bumper. There's some videos on that some ways back. It's my turbo piping, whatever. Anyway, this will look empty like the car did out there. We're gonna take this, throw it in the back with essentially the whole front clip welded inside of the back of here and have a mid-engine rear-wheel drive Accord. That's the plan, and I am very pumped. Like I said, you gotta like, subscribe, comment, do all the social things.